So me and my friends Radhika and Vedant were surfing over internet and came across a video about Kerala, the God's own land. As the video continued, it made us more curious to know more about the food and culture of Kerala. So we searched about the food in Kerala and decided to start our day with an authentic Kerala style breakfast.
Kerala style breakfast is known as the most heaviest and the healthiest breakfast. So here we have puttu with chana masala, veg stew, appam, sambar, and to finish off we have the filter.
The sambar, puttu, veg stew, appam, and filter coffee are some of the famous and preferable snacks from the people in Kerala. Puttu, it is made from rice flour and grated coconut, and it is steamed in a special container.
So now let's try this breakfast.
After the breakfast, we wanted to know more about the culture and festivals in Kerala. So we decided to visit our friend Aishwarya, who is born and brought up in Kerala, and know about her favorite festival.
Namaskar. So we were doing research about Kerala and its festivals, and we came across various festivals. We were curious to know about it more. So what is your favorite festival?
So my favorite festival is Onam.
So what is the importance of this festival?
So basically Onam is a harvest festival. So in which the year from the farm grains are collected. So basically for that only the festival is important. And basically a story is there behind it where Mahabali comes to meet this Praja once in a year. So the story behind is that जब महाविष्णु अपना वामन अवतार लेता है और महाबली को बोलता है कि मुझे तेरे से महाबली पूछता है तुझे क्या चाहिए मुझसे, तो महाविष्णु उसको बोलता है कि मुझे 3 जमीन चाहिए. महाबली बोलता है ठीक है. पहले जब पैर रखता है जमीन ये तो हेवन कवर होता है एक. सेकंड जब भी दूसरे पैर रखने जाता है तो पूरा अर्थ कवर होता है, तो कुछ बचना नहीं है. तो तीसरे पैर रखने जाता है तो बोलते हैं कि कुछ और ऑप्शन नहीं है, सब दोनों में कवर हुए, तो बोलते हैं कि मेरे सिर पे आप पैर रख दो, तो वो जमीन में हो जाते हैं. इसलिए वो साल में एक बार अपनी प्रजा को मिलने आते हैं. तो दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर दिस फेस्टिवल. वो हर घर में जाते हैं मिलने के लिए अपनी प्रजा से.
Onam celebrated in your culture?
So basically Onam is celebrated for 10 days. So that particular day is called as Onam, and it includes all cultural programs, dance form which is Kai Kutti Kali, and we have a floral design which is called as Pookalam, and it includes all cultural programs like boat races.
Dishes are served during this festival?
So rather than speaking on it, so I'll just show you and serve you what all dishes are served on there.
Explain me what all items are there in this plate now.
Yeah, sure. I'll explain you everything in Malayalam. This is manga achar, which is a mixture of mangoes, raw mangoes. Okay, and this is dry mirchi, and this is pulinji, which is a mixture of tamarind and ginger. Okay, and this is avial. Avial is a mixture of carrots, beans, drumsticks, coconut, onion, small onions, and this is pineapple pachadi, which is a mixture of pineapple and vegetables. That is tomato and onion. This is manga kutan, which is made with mangoes. Okay. This is toran. Toran is a mixture of chana and suran and tomato onion. And this is rice, sambar, rasam, papadam and padam, which is Onam. And this is paisam. This is semia paisam and this is mori.
After having this delicious sadhya meal, my stomach and me were craving for some non-vegetarian food. So we started heading towards our next destination, the Kerala Cafe. Here we ordered the best of non-vegetarian dishes that they had. We ordered chicken poti chor, kappa meen curry, malbari paratha, chicken coconut curry, chicken stew and chicken black pepper. This is poti chor. It is a meal packed inside a banana leaf. This is kappa meen curry. Kappa means tapioca with spicy fish curry. This chicken coconut curry with malbari paratha tastes just wow. After experiencing this wonderful food and the culture of Kerala, the Kerala community has definitely been added to our list of favorites. With a thought of not spoiling this vibe of Kerala, we decided to end our day on the beach with the soothing sound of waves and a beautiful sunset. Presenting to you Kathakali, an ancient Indian classical dance style of Kerala. Kathakali is the art of storytelling. The story is communicated to the audience through their footwork and impressive gestures of face and hands. It is traditionally performed by the male dancers and was developed in the temples and the monastic schools. This act is a depiction of goddess Annapurna, who is known as the goddess of food. This is her way of portraying happiness. Kerala has its roots deep in their traditions and culture, and this is what makes Kerala more beautiful.